Okay, so those who are already in connection, you might have seen a.
Can people mute themselves, please?
Yeah, I'll just do that. I'm meeting everyone again. Okay, fine. So yeah, guys. So today we are going to start with our TikTok app, and today we are going to do, as I've already said, we are going to see it based on the presentation which I have created, and post that we'll try to do it using the app that will be shared by Keval, I suppose. Okay, so let us see the TikTok app, what the TikTok app is and how it is being worked upon.
Dhara Narandaspai, our most senior member, has joined us. So થોડું ગુજરાતીમાં નારણદાસભાઈ આજે TikTok ઉપર social media ઉપર આપણે કરીએ છીએ. So Dhara is working on that with us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Right. So today's our app is the TikTok app. So we are now entering the social media apps. અત્યાર સુધી આપણે એવી બધી apps કરી હતી જે આપણને બધી રીતે helpful હોય. Like for example, Gmail app, we saw how the Google Translate app, we saw the Zoom app. તો આપણે એવી ઘણી બધી apps કરી છે. પણ આજથી આપણે social media ની અંદર enter કરીએ છીએ. We are entering the social media and how the social media is working upon it. આપણને કઈ રીતે help કરે છે social media. So today we are going to do very fun and very interesting app that's called the TikTok app. હવે બધાને આ એપ જે છે એ થોડુંક ઘણો આઈડિયા કદાચ હોય કદાચ નહીં બી હોય તમને. તો જે લોકો પાસે ઓલરેડી મોબાઈલ ફોન્સ છે તમે તમારા પ્લે સ્ટોર ઉપર જઈ એપ સ્ટોર ઉપર જઈ અને તમે સર્ચ કરી શકો છો ફોર TikTok. સ્પેલિંગ તમે મારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર જોઈ શકો છો. વોટ ઇઝ ધ સ્પેલિંગ ઓવર હિયર? તો આ જે TikTok એપ છે એ TikTok એપ કઈ રીતે વર્ક કરે છે? So basically TikTok is a video sharing app. Video sharing app જેવી રીતે આપણે પહેલા બી ઘણી બધી એપ જોયેલી છે. Like if you remember one app that we have seen, that is uh, the YouTube app. I'm really sorry, I got distracted. Okay, the YouTube app which we have already done for video sharing. But videos જે YouTube ઉપર share થાય છે, those are the long videos, 15 મિનિટ 20 મિનિટ 30 મિનિટ બહુ બધા લાંબા લાંબા videos એની અંદર share થાય છે. પણ TikTok માં બહુ બધા funny videos share થાય છે. Funny videos all of almost you can say 30 seconds. 30 seconds ના videos આપણે અહીંયાથી share કરવાના. You have to create your own videos and then you have to you post those videos and other people see your videos. લોકો તમારા videos જોશે, તમે post કરશો. જેવી રીતે આપણે social media is posting and sharing content. તમે content ને જે રીતે share કરો છો, તમે કશે ફરવા ગયા તમે એના photos તમે share કરો છો. और આપણે કોલાજ મેકર એપમાં જોયું હતું કે આપણે કોઈ પણ એક વિડીયો બનાવી 30 સેકન્ડની 10 સેકન્ડની તો એ વિડીયો આપણે સોશિયલ મીડિયા ઉપર પોસ્ટ કરી શકીએ છીએ. So TikTok is basically created for only sharing video content. Videos તમે share કરી શકો and that too not long videos, only a video about 30 seconds long, not more than that. So let us understand what is TikTok and how it came into existence. TikTok is a video sharing social platform launched in 2016. 2016 એ launch થયું હતું by its Beijing based parent company ByteDance. TikTok was an instant hit with Gen Z users in China. So basically it's a Chinese app and that is one of the main reasons because currently there is a lot of tension between India and China on the borders. So why India is boycotting China, and that is one of the reasons that we are having a ban of this particular TikTok app in India. Apart from that, there are some rumors that the data is not secured on this TikTok app and they're taking more user information from your phones, and that is why many other countries have also banned TikTok app. But it was until 2017 when ByteDance acquired another video sharing platform that's called the Musical.ly. This is another platform where you can share. There are many such platforms. You might have not heard any of the name. There is a platform with the name Dubsmash. Okay, so you can use that as well. That took it off in North America and Europe. So you see, that is the history of TikTok app. It was basically created in China and in the year 2016, not too long. 6 વર્ષ જૂની એપ જ છે, નથી વધારે જૂની એપ નથી. અને આ જે એપ છે બરાબર છે એ વિડિયો શેરિંગ પ્લેટફોર્મ છે જ્યારે તમે તમારા વિડિયોઝ બનાવી શકો. વિડિયોઝ કેવા હોઈ શકે? સો વિડિયોઝ કેન બી એની વિડિયોઝ કે તમે 30 સેકન્ડમાં તમે ડાન્સ મૂવ્સ તમારા શો કરો, ઓર તમે અમિતાભ બચ્ચનનો ડાયલોગ બોલતા હો, હાઈ, or something like that. So some funny videos that you have created, some funny videos with your friends you have created, કાં તો તમે કોઈ પિક્ચરના ડાયલોગની મિમિક્રી કરીને ત્યાં એને શો કરો. So these are all very funny videos which are being shown and which are being done. એ લોકોને એક્ટિંગ બહુ ગમતું હોય, ડાન્સિંગ બહુ ગમતું હોય, વિડીયોઝ બનાવવા બહુ ગમતા હોય. તો બેઝિકલી આ એવા લોકો માટે છે કે જે લોકો એમનો ટેલેન્ટ આનાથી શો કરી શકે છે. And then you can become a TikTok star as well. In 2018, TikTok had 55 million monthly active users અને 2021માં 1.2 million users નો ટાર્ગેટ છે. But this data is a little bit old કારણ કે 2020માં India banned TikTok and because of that they had a major fall in the users કારણ કે તમને ખબર છે કે ઇન્ડિયાનું પોપ્યુલેશન કેટલું છે અને કેટલા લોકો ઇન્ડિયાના ટિકટોક પર હતા. So now they are not there because it has been banned. So that's the reason. Okay. So coming on to our TikTok app, કે તમારી TikTok app કઈ રીતે વર્ક કરે છે, let us have a quick view on it. So this is your TikTok app. આ iPhone માં કે Android ની અંદર તમે ક્યાંય બી આના આગળ કનેક્ટ કરી શકો છો. You can just directly get connected to this particular app. I will just share the link on your I cannot share. Keval, if you could share the link in the chat for downloading the app, so everybody can download this particular app. And download karya pachi, the first thing that you do is you sign up to the particular app. તમારે એની અંદર sign up કરવું પડશે. So these are the screenshots that I was talking about. મેં અત્યારે આ એના screens લીધા છે because I was not able to download it and show it particularly to you. So અહીંયા આગળ આ TikTok app છે. અહીંયા આગળ અગર તમે already download કરી દીધું હશે તો અહીંયા આગળ open button આવશે. અગર download નહીં કર્યું હોય તો there will be the download button and once you are downloaded તમે એને open કરી શકો છો. Then when you open your app for the first time, તમે તમારી app first time open કરશો તો app will be having some I'm just sharing my screen એટલે તમને first time app કેવી દેખાય એ હું તમને બતાવી શકું. Okay. So as I was already saying, today I'm trying to, share the devices with you. Okay. So that's my Android device, which I'm showing you right now. Okay. So I have downloaded an APK from the Android phone and I'm just going to install that on my phone. So તમે બી તમારા સર્વર પરથી install કરી શકો છો. Somebody could please share the link from the Play Store as I do not have that particular link over here. Okay. Once it has been downloaded and when you use it for the first time, so you will see a screen something like this where videos to make your day. This is the first time I'm installing this particular app and you can see it is asking me to agree to the terms and services and privacy policy. I'll just click on agree and continue. Okay, as you see, it has already detected that I am from India and they are giving me this government notice. Mana government notice madi rahi છે કે you cannot use this particular thing over here. I'm saying okay, but you guys will not see something like this. તમને આવું બધું નહીં દેખાય. Over here you have what kind of content, કેવી ટાઈપની videos તમે જોવા માંગો છો. Something like emotional, I want to see a comedy movie video. I need to see Bollywood as well. Entertainment ઉપર બી તમે you just have to take the topics which you like. તમને જે topics ગમતા હોય, wildlife talk, nature and wildlife ગમતું હોય તો એવા videos તમને દેખાશે, music, fitness or traveling or home decor or something, and then just click on next. So videos are personalized for you or based on what you like, watch, like and share. So basically તમને જે ગમે છે એના બેઝ ઉપર તમને આમાં videos આવે છે. And as you see over here in the screen, અત્યારે તમે screen ની અંદર જોઈ રહ્યા છો, you have already seen that in the screen. You just have to swipe up and up. તમારે ખાલી up જ swipe કરવાનું છે, બાકી તમારે કશું કરવાનું નથી. So that is how this particular thing is working. તમારે videos તમારા screen ઉપર આવશે, and then you have to click on start watching. Now when you click on start watching, because I'm from India currently, and that is why I'm not able to see. You will see something like this on your phone. But if you are in UK, તમે તમારા ફોન ની અંદર ચેક કરશો તો ઓલરેડી તમારા માટે અહીંયા આગળ બધી વિડીયો સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ જશે. And you just have to swipe it up to see the next video. બીજી વિડીયો જોવી છે, swipe up કરો. હજી બીજી વિડીયો જોવી છે, swipe up કરો. Every video will be of approximately around 30 seconds, not more than that. The content won't be more than that. Okay, here the first screen which I want you to show is કે તમે અહીંયા નીચે bottom માં જોઈ રહ્યા છો. You see the icons in the bottom. Home, discover, there is a plus icon, there is a inbox icon, and last માં છે me. તમે me ઉપર click કરશો. The first thing you need to do is creating a profile. કે તમે એક profile generate કરો. So you generate a profile, and that will do the work for you. That will do the wonders for you. And just click on your profile button. તમારા profile button ની ઉપર તમે click કરો, and અહીંયાથી આવશે sign up. So just click on the sign up. અહીંયા sign up ની અંદર you have this 4 options કે તમે phone or email થી sign up કરો, Facebook થી કરો, Google થી કરો or Twitter થી કરો. Now we have seen many apps. આપણે બહુ બધી apps જોઈ છે જ્યાં આગળ અલગ-અલગ રીતે તમે sign up કરી શકો છો. તો તમે આમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક option select કરી શકો છો, અને જે બી option તમે select કરશો એ પ્રમાણે આગળ તમને બધા options આવશે. Just click on the perfect option that suits you best. Okay, so once you are signed in, તમારું sign in થઈ જશે એટલે તમારી એક profile જેવું create થઈ જશે. So that was what I wanted to show you. I will not be able to create a profile over here. The reason is very obvious. They have detected it is from India and they will not allow me. So coming on to over here, the next thing that we see over here is first of all તમારે પાસે શું options છે. So here we have our first screen which we need to understand. That is the checkout, the for you and the discovery pages, discover pages, which you have already seen. Where, so see, when we were on the home, આપણે home ઉપર ગયા હતા, તો અહીંયા આગળી either we can select on the for you option. For you option એટલે જે તમારા માટે, જે આપણે પહેલા ટોપિક સિલેક્ટ કરીએ ને કે ભાઈ મને મ્યુઝિક ગમે છે, મને બોલિવૂડ ગમે છે, મને ઇમોશનલ વિડીયોઝ ગમે છે, તો એના રિલેટેડ જે બી એ પર્ટિક્યુલર કેટેગરીમાં જે પણ વિડીયોઝ આવતા હશે એ બધા જ વિડીયોઝ આપણને શો કરવામાં આવશે. Hello, who's that? Okay, I'll mute everyone again.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so coming back over here, કે જ્યારે તમે first page ઉપર આવો છો, that is this particular home page ઉપર આવો છો, તો એની અંદર છે for you. For you એટલે તમે જે કેટેગરી સ્ટાર્ટિંગ માં સિલેક્ટ કરી છે એ કેટેગરીઝ માં રિલેટેડ જેટલા બી વિડીયોઝ હશે એ વિડીયોઝ તમને અહીંયા આગળ દેખાશે one by one. You just have to swipe up. Second option છે અહીંયા અવેલેબલ છે, that is called following. Following એટલે જેવી રીતે Facebook માં આપણે friends બનાવીએ છીએ એવી રીતે આમાં TikTok માં તમારે ફોલો કરવાનું હોય. લાઈક મુનિરાબેન જસ્ટ સેડ કે મને છે ને અમિતાભ બચ્ચનના વિડીયોઝ આવે છે, મને નથી ખબર કે અમિતાભ બચ્ચનના વિડીયોઝ કેવા હોય છે. સો વોટ યુ ડુ ઇઝ કે તમારે અમિતાભ બચ્ચનને જઈને સર્ચ કરવાનું. તમે ડિસ્કવરમાં જઈને સર્ચ બી કરી શકો છો, અને તમારે ત્યાં આગળ અમિતાભ બચ્ચન લખશો એટલે અમિતાભ બચ્ચનના જે બી આઈડીઝ હશે એ બધા તમને આઈડીઝ ત્યાં દેખાશે. એન્ડ દેન દેર વિલ બી અ ફોલો બટન બિસાઇડ ઇટ. એની બાજુમાં હશે એક ફોલો બટન. એ ફોલો બટન ઉપર ક્લિક કરશો એટલે જેટલા બી તમારા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ છે જેને તમે ફોલો કરો છો એ બધા અગર કોઈ બી કોન્ટેન્ટ અપલોડ કરશે તો એ બધો જ કોન્ટેન્ટ અહીંયાની ફોલોઈંગમાં આવશે. તો ફોલોઈંગ આવશે. સેકન્ડ ઇઝ ફોર યુ એટલે તમારી સિલેક્ટેડ કેટેગરીઝના તમારા મનપસંદ ટોપિક ઉપરના વિડીયોઝ તમને દેખાડશે. એન્ડ ધ લાસ્ટ વન ઇન ધ બોટમ યુ સી ઇઝ અ ડિસ્કવર. ડિસ્કવરમાં જે બી ટ્રેન્ડિંગ વસ્તુઓ હોય, ટ્રેન્ડિંગ, આઈ હોપ એવરીબડી અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ વોટ ધ વર્ડ ટ્રેન્ડિંગ મીન્સ. ટ્રેન્ડિંગ એટલે કે અત્યારે માર્કેટમાં જે આમ જબરજસ્ત હિટ થઈ ગયું હોય દેટ્સ કોલ્ડ અ ટ્રેન્ડિંગ. ઘણી વખત આપણે એવું કીધું હોય કે ભાઈ આ વસ્તુ ટ્રોલ થઈ ગયા, કોઈ ટ્રોલ થયું હોય, યુ નો somebody is made fun of, સોશિયલ મીડિયા ઉપર ટ્રોલ થઈ ગયા, સોશિયલ મીડિયા ઉપર they were trending કે ભાઈ આજે અમિતાભ બચ્ચનનો બર્થડે છે તો એવરીબડી ઇઝ વિશિંગ અમિતાભ બચ્ચન, તો દેટ ઇઝ અ ટ્રેન્ડ. કોઈ પણ એક ટ્રેન્ડ જે વસ્તુ અત્યારે ચાલતી હોય દેટ કમ્સ ઇન ધ ડિસ્કવર. ડિસ્કવરની અંદર તમે એ વસ્તુઓ મેનેજ કરી શકશો. યુ વિલ બી એબલ ટુ સી ધોઝ થિંગ્સ ઇન ધ ડિસ્કવર. So we have these two options. The first option that you have is the for you option, and the second one that you have is the discovery page. Like most social media platform, trends quickly come and go on TikTok. So if you want to capitalize on a trend, it's a good idea to act fast. તમારે ટ્રેન્ડ્સ ને તમારે જાણવા હોય તો ડિસ્કવર પેજમાં ફટાફટ તમે જોઈ શકો છો કે કયા બેસ્ટ ટ્રેન્ડ્સ અત્યારે ચાલી રહ્યા છે. ટ્રેન્ડિંગમાં કેવું હોય કે નવો ડાન્સ મૂવ હોય કે તો યુ નો દેર વોઝ સમ આઈસ બકેટ ચેલેન્જ. આઈસ બકેટ ચેલેન્જના વિડીયો બનાવતા હતા લોકો, યુ નો કે એક બકેટ હોય આખું આઈસથી ભરીને એન્ડ ધેન યુ હેવ ટુ બાથ ધેટ અપ. તમારે નાવાનું આખું ઠંડુ ઠંડુ બરફ તમારી ઉપર નાખે એન્ડ ધેન યુ હેવ ટુ યુ નો મેક અ વિડીયો આઉટ ઓફ ઇટ. દેટ વોઝ જસ્ટ અ ટ્રેન્ડ. હવે તમે લોકો તો આ બધું ના કરો પણ તમને ખબર પડે કે હવે ટ્રેન્ડિંગ વસ્તુ કહેવાય. ધીસ ઇઝ અ ટ્રેન્ડ. હવે તમે એક કરે પછી બીજો કરે પછી ત્રીજો કરે એવી રીતે બધા જ કરતા જાય વન બાય વન. તો દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ વોટ ઇઝ ટ્રેન્ડિંગ. તો દેટ ઇઝ વોટ યુ કેન ડિસ્કવર. એ તમે ક્યાંથી જોઈ શકો છો? ફ્રોમ ધ ડિસ્કવર પેજ. The best way to find out what's trending on a daily basis is to scroll through the for you and the discover pages. આ બંને પેજીસ ઉપર ફોર યુમાં તમારા મનપસંદ ટોપિક ઉપર જે બી અત્યારે ટ્રેન્ડિંગ હશે એ દેખાશે અને ડિસ્કવરમાં અત્યારે વર્લ્ડમાં જે ટ્રેન્ડિંગ છે એ તમને દેખાશે. અને પછી એને તમારે એના રિલેટેડ કંઈ કરવું હોય તો તમે એ કરી શકો છો. તમે ઘણી વખતે એવું સાંભળ્યું હશે કે યુ નો કોઈનો વિડીયો રાતોરાત બહુ જ ફેમસ થઈ ગયો કોઈ પર્સન. ઘણી વખત આપણે જોઈએ છે કે કોઈ પર્ટિક્યુલર વોટ્સએપ ઉપર અમુક વિડીયોઝ આવતા હોય કે સમબડી નીડ્સ વેરી હેલ્પ, કોઈને હેલ્પની બહુ જરૂર હોય, યુ નો કાં તો પછી કોઈ ખોવાઈ ગયું હોય કાં તો કોઈને કોઈ મળી ગયું હોય અને તે ડોન્ટ નો, કોઈ નાનું ચાઇલ્ડ હોય એ ખોવાઈ ગયું હોય, નાનું છોકરું હોય તો એ ખોવાઈ ગયું હોય. તમે શું કરો એની જોડે એક વિડીયો મૂકી દો અહીંયા આગળ સોશિયલ મીડિયા ઉપર કે ભાઈ આ પર્ટિક્યુલર પર્સન છે, આ પર્ટિક્યુલર ચાઇલ્ડ છે, અહીંયા મારી પાસે ખોવાઈ ગયો છે, મને અહીંયાથી મળ્યો છે, જે લોકો જેના પેરેન્ટ્સ હોય પ્લીઝ કોન્ટેક્ટ મી ઓન ધીસ નંબર. And then you just share it on social media. So people will start sharing your content. કરતા કરતા તમે સોશિયલ મીડિયા પ્લેટફોર્મ ઉપરથી લાખો લોકોને કનેક્ટ કરી શકો છો. મિલિયન્સ એન્ડ બિલિયન્સ ઓફ પીપલ એન્ડ ટ્રિલિયન્સ ઓફ પીપલને તમે કનેક્ટ કરી શકો છો. તમે આઈ ડોન્ટ નો તમે બધા ગુજરાતી છો તો તમે સલમાન ખાનની પિક્ચર જોઈ હશે બજરંગી ભાઈજાન. એમાં તમે જોયું હશે કે છેલ્લે એન્ડમાં દે આર પુટિંગ સમ વિડીયોઝ ઓન ઇટ. એ લોકો એક મસ્ત વિડીયો મૂક્યો હતો બનાવીને એન્ડ દેટ વિડીયો એ ફેલાયો એનાથી ખબર પડી કે પેલી નાની બેબી એનો જે યુ નો ઓલ ધ સ્ટોરી દેટ ગોઝ અપ દેટ વિલ બી શોન ઓવર ધેર. So that is how this thing works. Over here as you see કે મેં અહીંયાની ફોર યુ આપણે જે ડિસ્કવર બટન ઉપર મેં ક્લિક કર્યું ને એટલે આ રીતે બતાવશે કે કયા હેશટેગ ચાલે છે અત્યારે. હેશટેગ એવરીબડી નોઝ ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ ને બધા ઉપર હેશટેગ હોય છે. હેશટેગ તમે લખો હેશ યુ નો આજકાલ જે લોકો મેરેજ કરતા હોય એ લોકો લખતા હોય છે કે હેશ ધીસ વિથ ધેટ or you know badri ki dulhaniya hash something like that. So here you see 2021 affirmations is a trending. Affirmations 2021 આવતું હોય તમારા affirmations હોય ને કે ભાઈ in 2021 I will follow my routine, I will do be more conscious about my health or something. So affirmations gaming ઉપર હોઈ શકે, you know these are all the various topics on which there might be trending videos which you can see. હવે એમાંથી તમે કોઈ પણ એક પર્ટિક્યુલર ટોપિક ઉપર ક્લિક કરો લાઈક અહીંયાની ગ્રુપ ચેટ ઉપર મેં ક્લિક કર્યું છે તો યુ કેન સી ગ્રુપ ચેટ ઉપર કેટલા બધા વિડીયોઝ અહીંયાની અવેલેબલ છે અને મારે જે પણ વિડીયો જોવો હોય I have to tap on that particular video and then I can see that particular video. The For You page is algorithmically curated based on the videos you interact with, the accounts and the hashtags you follow, and your location and language preferences, and the type of content you create. તો ફોર યુ બેઝિકલી તમારા માટે બનાવેલું છે ફોર યુ. ફોર યુમાં કેવા વિડીયો તમને દેખાય, તો પછી તમે કોની જોડે ઇન્ટરેક્ટ કરો છો, તમારા હેશટેગ કયા કયા તમે ફોલો કરો છો, તમારું લોકેશન શું છે, યુકે છે તો યુકે ના રિલેટેડ જે બી વિડીયોઝ બન્યા હોય એવા, લેંગ્વેજ પ્રેફરન્સીસ કેવા હોય, યુકેમાં જઈને તમે એવું કહો કે મારે ગુજરાતીના વિડીયોઝ જ જોવા છે તો એવા તમને વધારે દેખાડે. તો લેંગ્વેજ સિલેક્ટ કરી શકો છો, ટાઈપ ઓફ કન્ટેન્ટ તમે સિલેક્ટ કરી શકો છો. So that is all you can have for the for you. And the second option we have is the discover page. The discover page is curated using TikTok's algorithm, which does the work of finding trends for you. Trending જે વસ્તુ હોય એ તમને મળે. Here you will see popular hashtag, sounds, and effect. Click on each trend to view its top videos or favorite it for later. તો તમારી પાસે ઓપ્શન છે તો અહીંયાથી તમે જોઈ શકો છો કે જ્યારે તમે ફોર યુ ઉપર ક્લિક કરો છો again, so when you see on the discover page over here, discover icon ઉપર તમે અહીંયા નીચે છે એની ઉપર તમે ક્લિક કરો તો discover icon માં તમને મળે કે પર્ટિક્યુલર ટ્રેન્ડિંગ કોણ છે, જે ટ્રેન્ડિંગ હશે એ ઉપર દેખાશે, એના સિવાયના બધા દેખાશે, એમાં તમે જેની ઉપર ક્લિક કરશો એના બધા વિડીયોઝ ટોપ વિડીયોઝ જે હશે એ તમે જોઈ શકો છો. ઓર તમે એડ ટુ ફેવરેટ્સ કરી શકો છો, ફેવરેટ્સમાં એડ કરશો એટલે ગમે ત્યારે તમે એને પછી પાછળથી જોઈ શકશો. So those will be your favorite videos. So those are the two things for you and discover. Now અગર તમે કોઈ પર્ટિક્યુલર વિડીયો ઉપર ક્લિક કરો છો, જ્યારે તમે કોઈ પણ વિડીયો જોવો છો અને વિડીયો ઉપર તમે ક્લિક કરો છો તો વિડીયોની અંદર બરાબર અનબોક્સિંગ ન્યૂ ડિલિવરી હોય, કોઈએ કોઈક નવો લેપટોપ મંગાયો, કોઈએ કોઈક નવો ફોન મંગાયો, નાઇકીની ટી શર્ટ મંગાવી, નાઇકીના શૂઝ મંગાયા, તો યુ નો દેર ઇઝ અ અનબોક્સિંગ વિડીયો, એટલે હું બોક્સ ઓપન કરું છું અને એનો એક વિડીયો હું ક્રિએટ કરું છું. So that is also something which you can see. તો જ્યારે બી તમે કોઈ પર્ટિક્યુલર વિડીયો જોતા હો છો ત્યારે અહીંયા આગળ અમુક બટન્સ તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો. As you can see that arrow over here, આ એરોની અંદર there are multiple buttons over here which I am going to explain કે શેના માટેના વિડીયોઝ છે. સો અહીંયા આગળ એક પ્લસ આઇકન વાળો વિડીયો છે, એક હાર્ટ શેપનો વિડીયો છે, એક કોમેન્ટ ટાઈપનો વિડીયો છે, એક ફોરવર્ડ ટાઈપનો એરો છે અને એક યુઝરનો ફોટો છે. તો લેટ અસ સી કે આ શેના માટેના બટન્સ છે. The first icon, that is a profile photo છે with a plus underneath, એટલે એક plus icon છે નીચે, will take you to a user's profile where you can follow them. હવે સપોઝ આ વિડીયો તમને બહુ ગમ્યા, બરાબર, આ પર્ટિક્યુલર યુઝરના વિડીયો તમને બહુ ગમે છે તો તમારે એને ફોલો કરવું છે, તો તમે આ પ્લસ આઇકન ઉપર કે આના પર્ટિક્યુલર આ પ્લસ આઇકન ઉપર ક્લિક કરશો તો તમે એને ફોલો કરશો. તમે પેલા રાઉન્ડ ઉપર ક્લિક કરશો તો એ પર્સનની પ્રોફાઇલ ઓપન થઈ જશે અને પછી તમારે એને ફોલો કરવા હોય કે બીજા વિડીયોઝ તમારે જોવા હોય તો તમે જોઈ શકો. The second is a heart which you can tap to like a video. આપણે જે રીતે ફેસબુકમાં લાઈક એટલે થમ્સ અપ હોય છે એવી રીતે અહીંયા આગળ લાઈક કરવા માટે you have a heart option. તો હાર્ટ ઉપર તમે ક્લિક કરશો એટલે લાઈક થશે. There is a speech bubble which you tap to leave a comment. તમારે એવું લખ્યું હોય wow your video is very awesome, તમારે એને કમેન્ટ લખવી છે તો તમે સ્પીચ બબલ આઇકન ઉપર ક્લિક કરી શકો છો. That is the third icon from the top. The fourth icon is the arrow allows you to share the TikTok video to other platforms. એટલે ફોરવર્ડ તમારે બીજા પ્લેટફોર્મ ઉપર શેર કરવું છે. બીજા પ્લેટફોર્મ એટલે ફેસબુક પર શેર કરવું છે, જીમેલમાં સેન્ડ કરવું છે કે કંઈ બી એવું કરવું હોય તો you can use that. And the last one, there is a rotating record like icon which allows you to, which will show you the sound used in the video as well as other videos that use the same sound. એટલે આ જે લાસ્ટ તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો બેસિકલી this is about the sound, કે આ સાઉન્ડ કોનો લીધો છે. એટલે ઘણી વખતે મ્યુઝિક બી હોય એની અંદર, વિડીયો હોય તો ઓબ્વિયસલી મ્યુઝિક હશે અને જે મ્યુઝિક છે ક્યાંથી આવ્યું છે, કે કોણે લીધું છે, કોણે ફોલો કરેલું છે. અગર મ્યુઝિક એડ કરેલું હશે તો તમારે એ મ્યુઝિકમાં તમારે તમારામાં બી યુઝ કરીને મ્યુઝિકનું કંઈ કરવું હોય તો બી તમે તમારા વિડીયોમાં એ વસ્તુ કરી શકશો. So that is like this particular 4 icons that you have. Okay. Fine. So that is how the video particular thing works. કોઈ પણ particular video તમે open કરો તો you will get this 5 buttons. Either you follow the person, or you like the video, or you comment on the video, or you share the video, or you check the video song or the dialogue or something that is recording જે એનું અંદર હોય એ recording બી તમે use કરી શકો છો. So these are the 5 options that you have. Okay, so this was about seeing the data on TikTok કે ડેટા TikTok ઉપર ડેટા કઈ રીતે જોવાનું. હવે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વસ્તુ એ આવે છે કે હું ડેટા જે જોઉં છું એ ડેટા હું ક્રિએટ કઈ રીતે કરી શકું. સો દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ હાઉ ટુ ક્રિએટ અ વિડીયો ઓન ટિકટોક કે ટિકટોક ઉપર તમે એક વિડીયો કઈ રીતે ક્રિએટ કરી શકો. તો ટિકટોક ઉપર અગર તમારે વિડીયો ક્રિએટ કરવો હોય તો okay, when you're getting ready to film your first TikTok video, don't worry about the production quality. Quality વગેરે બધું જ એકદમ નાઇસ જ હોય છે આની અંદર. Having a strong creative concept is much more important કે તમે કયા ટોપિક ઉપર વિડીયો બનાવો છો એ પહેલા તમને ખબર હોવી જોઈએ. TikTok is known for its unrefined, imperfect and authentic content, so you don't have to be an editing extraordinary. તમારે extraordinary કશું ક્રિએટ કરવાનું છે કે મારો વિડીયો એકદમ પરફેક્ટ હોવો જોઈએ, આવો હોવો જોઈએ, તેવો હોવો જોઈએ. Nothing like that. તમને જેવું આવડતું હોય એવું તમે કરો અને શેર કરો and you will improve with the number of videos that you create. I will show you some reels that are another trending thing right now. બીકોઝ મેં હમણાં જ પહેલા કીધું કે જેવી રીતે ટિકટોક છે એ બેન થઈ ગયું છે ઘણી બધી કન્ટ્રીઝમાં, તો હવે એના કંઈક સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ તો હોવું જ જોઈએ. સબસ્ટિટ્યુટમાં આપણો જે ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ છે, ઇફ એનીબડી ઇઝ યુઝિંગ ઓવર હિયર, ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામમાં હવે રીલ્સ કરીને આવે છે, REELS, દેટ્સ કોલ્ડ રીલ્સ. તો રીલ્સ તમે કહો કે પછી તમે ટિકટોક કહો, both of them are same. So that is how the substitute. મેં આપણે દર ફેરી જોયું છે, આપણે કોઈ પણ એક એપ લઈએ એની બીજી 4 કોપી એપ હોય જ, પણ એમાંથી આપણે તો એક જ એપ કરતા હોઈએ. તો જેવી રીતે ટિકટોક છે એવી રીતે બીજી 4 એની કોપી એપ્સ છે. તમે અગર ખાલી સર્ચ કરો ટિકટોક તેના રિલેટેડ બીજી 5 આવી જશે, MX ટકાટક, something like that. Then there is a Musical.ly, then there is a Dub Smash. So these are all the particular other apps. બટ અત્યારે જે બહુ જ આમ ફેવરેટ હોટ ફેવરેટ જઈ રહી છે દેટ ઇઝ ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ રીલ્સ. Okay, so how do you record your particular first video? So you see, તમારે અગર recording કરવું હોય તો you have to click on the plus icon in the middle. જે plus icon છે એ તમે click કરો. Sorry, just click on the plus icon. એટલે અહીંયા તમને અલગ અલગ પરમિશન્સ માંગશે ટિકટોક. which are this permission કે તમારા પિક્ચર્સ લઈ શકે, વિડીયો રેકોર્ડ કરી શકે. તો એમાં મેં આપ્યું while using the app. પછી તમારું ઓડિયો બી રેકોર્ડ કરી શકે. સો અગેન આઈ એમ ગોઈંગ ટુ યુઝ while using the app. પ્લસ કે તમારી જે વિડીયો બને એ વિડીયોને એને સેવ બી કરવી પડે, એટલે ફોટોઝ, મીડિયાઝ અને ફાઇલ્સ બી તમારા ફોનમાં એક્સેસ કરવું પડે, એટલે એમાં હું કરીશ allow. And then the moment I click on allow, you will see this particular કે અહીંયા આગળ એક સ્ક્રીન ઓપન થઈ ગઈ છે જ્યાં આગળ you will can see my photo. તમે મારો ફોટો જોઈ શકો છો. And there are some other options on the screen. Screen ઉપર અલગ અલગ options છે જે તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો. The first option is on the left hand side. આપણે પહેલા જઈએ right hand side ઉપરથી પહેલા લઈએ. So flip the camera, front camera or the back camera. So I'm going to keep the front camera. Speed કેટલું જલ્દી, કેટલું slow, કેટલું fast તમારે create કરવું છે. Filters you can apply some. મારામાં બહુ ઓછો option છે, તમારામાં થોડા વધારે હશે. I already have a normal. Beautify, you can beautify your thing yourself. બધા options તમારે try કરવા પડશે. I cannot show each and every option, but I would request you guys to just try it out. બરાબર છે. Apart from that, there is a timer. Timer એટલે તમે timer મૂકશો એટલે 3 સેકન્ડ પછી એ start shooting. 3 સેકન્ડ પતશે એટલે shooting start થઈ જશે. So you can just drag a limit અને કેટલા સેકન્ડ સુધી કરશે તો 15 seconds over here. Okay, you can shoot it for 15 seconds maximum. So as I told, only 30 seconds or 15 seconds, something like that is the video. 60 seconds as well. There are some templates. Templates અહીંયાડી એટલે એના રિલેટેડ હોય, બધી ઇમેજીસ ને બધું હશે. તો તમે એ બી સિલેક્ટ કરી શકો છો. મારામાં નથી કારણ કે you know the app is not working totally. Okay. Here if you're creating a video, so like હું તો બહુ સિરિયસ વિડીયો ક્રિએટ કરું છું, પણ તમે જોશો બીજા બધાના બહુ કોમેડી વિડીયોઝ હશે. લાઈક તમે બસંતીનો ડાયલોગ બોલતા હો, वैसे ज्यादा तो मैं कुछ बोलती नहीं हूँ, but something like that, I don't know. बराबर है, you can create something like that, funny content, or you can rehearse some dialogue, बाबू भैया or something like that. तो તમે કરી શકો છો. હું થોડોક સિરિયસ લઈ લઉં છું. So I'm just going to click on the record button. તમે ખાલી record button ઉપર ક્લિક કરશો and it will start recording your video. So So I'm clicking on it. Hi, this is Darasha. I hope you're having a good evening. Thank you. And stop it. So આ તમારો video record થઈ ગયો. So that is how your video gets recorded. And once your video is recorded, એટલે હજી તમારી પાસે મેં 15 seconds નો video કર્યો હતો, એમાં બી હજી મારી પાસે 10 seconds માં મારું complete થઈ ગયું. Still you want to record, તો તમે record કરી શકો છો. If you don't want to record, what you can do is you can just click on the tick which was there. I just clicked on the tick over there, and then I can add some edits over here. I can add some edits માં બહુ બધા options છે. See, first you can apply some filters. I again don't have the filters. You can adjust the clip તમે આખી જોઈ શકો છો, adjust કરી શકો છો, ઉપર નીચે જે કરવું હોય કરી શકો છો, and then whatever you are done, આ બધું તમારે try કરવું પડશે, તો જ તમને બધી effects ખબર પડશે. After you are done, you can click on the save button on the top. Top ઉપર તમે જોઈ શકો છો, there is a save button. I think થોડી light વધારે છે, તો maybe you won't be able to see that save button, પણ તમે અગર તમારા no, you're not able to see કારણ કે white color માં છે. Something like this. Okay.
Maybe Keval can show it later.
Yeah. You can click on the save button and you can just save the edits that you have done. Okay. Apart from that, you can also keep some voice effects. So, a voice effect put up karu chu. Okay.
Hope you're having a good evening. Hi, this is Darasha.
See, my sound has changed. So this is a voice effect. તમારો અવાજ change કરી તો નાના બચ્ચા જેવો કે something like that. See, so this is the voice effect which you can give. Okay. Apart from that, you can add some text on it. તમે કોઈ text add કરી શકો છો. Okay. Apart from that, તમે થોડા stickers ને emojis ને બધું put up કરી શકો છો એની અંદર. Again, મારામાં available નથી. You can also put some sound on it. તમે થોડા sound અને effects બી અહીંયાથી put up કરી શકો છો. Background માં sound વાગતું હોય એવી રીતે. So you can do this all the things, and once you are done with everything, just click on next. તમે next ઉપર click કરશો. So write some description for your video. You can tag your friends with the @ You can put some hashtags on it, and finally you can click on the post button to post your video. So that is how this particular thing works. Okay, so that is two important things over here that you see. The first thing is कि how to view the content કઈ રીતે view કરવાનો, like કરવાનું, comment કરવાનું, share કરવાનું. And the second one is content કઈ રીતે create કરવાનું. And when you are creating that content, તમે જ્યારે content create કરી રહ્યા છો, at that time the particular effects that you can use again and again. So those effects you can use, you can create, you can rehearse some dialogue. તમે dialogue નો sound add કરો, તમે ખાલી rehearsal કરો. જે રીતે આપણે film stars જે હોય, બરાબર, superstars, એ જે રીતે lip sync કરે છે, બોલે એ લોકો, પણ acting આપણે કરવાની. So you can do something like that as well. So these are the options which the TikTok gives us. આપણને આ TikTok આ બધા જ options આપે છે. And you know, it's a very funny and a very light weighted app. બહુ આમ મગજ નહીં વાપરવાનું, ખાલી બનાવવાનું અને શેર કરવાનું, લોકોનું જોવો પછી એવું ક્રિએટ કરો. So this is something કે જે ઓનર હતો TikTok નો, એનો એવો સ્ટેટમેન્ટ હતો કે ભાઈ TikTok ખાલી ટાઈમ પાસ માટે બનાવ્યું, એટલે જ્યારે તમારે ટાઈમ પાસ કરવો હોય ત્યારે તમે TikTok યુઝ કરી શકો છો. So this is something કે જે અત્યારે ટ્રેન્ડિંગ હોય ને, હવે આમ કુલ દાદા દાદીઓ હોય ને, એ લોકો આવી રીતે TikTok માં આવે, અને ઘણી વખતે દાદા દાદીઓ બી ડાન્સ કરે TikTok ની અંદર. તો જે ગ્રેન્ડસન હોય કે this is my daddy doing TikTok for the first time, and then daddy dances, daddy na steps bhi jodar hoy, much better than ours. Okay. So these are some very nice videos you can see over there. Very good talent is coming out over here. Okay, એનાથી બહુ સારું talent આવે છે. So that was the TikTok app, and I would request Keval if he could now share his phone, so that you know everybody can have a whatever I have said, જે મેં બતાવ્યું તમને, જેટલું બતાવી શકતી હતી એ બધું મેં તમને બતાવ્યું છે. તો you know તમે એનાથી જોઈ શકો કે actual usage એનો કેવી રીતે રહે છે, so that people can understand that as well.
Hi, Dara.
Hi Keval. Sorry, I'm troubling you today a lot.
Not this account, you know, the other one that's signed
sorry,
on. You
sorry,
need to
sorry.
share that one.
Yeah, I'll make you post on that as well. Okay, you are there. You can just click on the share option and there will be the screen option and your screen will be visible to everyone.
Yeah, it should be.
It hasn't come on yet. We're just waiting.
Okay, well, there will be a green button in the middle and there is a share content option. Is there a problem with the sharing? Should I, okay, can you try now?
I'm going to share screen.
Because Dara can't access, we've got Keval to show us actually what it looks like here in UK. So we're just getting connected.
Yeah, you can, you just click on, okay, Keval, see over here, something like that. Then you tap on it, you have the share screen option. And then there will be a pop-up. And from the pop-up, you have to select the screen.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now.
And then it will start
On
recording
here.
your screen as well.
Oh, there
Just,
you go. Look,
just
it's
off your
sharing my
background, no?
camera
You just
now.
off your background, no? Because we're not able to see the screen of the phone. From your main
No,
account,
that's
from
fine.
your,
On here, I don't know if you can see it.
Keval, you have a background and your back, and
It's
that is
asking
why.
to share it on Microsoft OneDrive.
Yeah, do. Not Microsoft OneDrive. There will be a screen option. Just scroll down. There will be the screen option. Just scroll down. See, I'll tell you what are the options that are coming.
Unfortunately, it's not sharing right now, Dara.
Okay.
It's not giving.
Okay, just a second, Kevin. If you could see what are the options. Once, yeah, it is shared. It is shared now.
No, but it's just sharing my camera, not the screen.
Okay. I'll tell you what to do in it. Just a second. Recording. Okay. When you click on share, there is Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, Box, photo, document, web URL, bookmark, and then there is a screen option. Just click on that.
Yeah, when I click that, it's saying
You have something like this.
Yeah, it says Zoom will have access to all of the information. So I press start now.
Yeah, click on start now.
And then it's saying the permission allows an app to show things on top of other apps. This may interfere with use of other apps, but it's not showing which one.
See, mine is automatically shared.
Viral saying that you need access and permission for camera and microphone.
Yeah, you have to give all those permissions. You have to give all the permissions.
Okay. Okay, not to worry. I think Dara, despite not being able to access TikTok, you've done a great start. I think we'll wait for Muniraji to compile a TikTok video and share it with us next week, because I think you've taken us through the PowerPoint presentation.
Very
Keval, good job. Right.
Done.
Okay,
That's
let's
great.
go.
That's
all right.
great.
You
So
can hear me okay, yeah?
Fantastic.
You can hear me okay, yeah?
yeah. We
Yes,
can.
yes.
Okay, so TikTok normally opens up on your home screen, which you can see at the front now. It will show you the videos about whatever you've shown interest in. So as Dara was explaining, on the right-hand side, you've got the videos that you like. This is telling you on the side, there's a heart. Because the background's white and the heart is white, it's not showing it. But if I like this video, you'll see that it turned red on the right, and I'll unlike it now,
Mhm.
and it's gone white again. But you can leave a
It's
comment.
very clear. It's very clear, all of it.
Yeah,
Keval?
you can leave a comment here. You can read the other comments if you want. All of this just down the right-hand side there. So you can add this video to one of your favorites. You can like the video. You can show the comments if you want. I'm just scrolling down some of them now. And then if you want to forward it, you can also choose forward it via another app, and it'll give you the options where you can share this video if you want to share it on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, anything you want. You've also got, once you go away from the home button, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the magnifying glass with the discover. So if I press the discover button, now it changes to a screen where we can search for whatever we might be interested in. So if someone, Dara, if you want to suggest something you want to look for.
Yeah, we
Munira
can.
wants Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan is not
Let's see.
available. Maybe you can just try.
It's there. It's there. It's there. I tried it, Dara.
Okay.
So we can search for Amitabh Bachchan.
There you go.
Those are some of the hashtags.
We'll play one of the
Videos.
This one's got 109,000 likes, so that was that one. And then
We can't hear the sound, Keval.
oh, can you not hear the sound?
No, not when it's playing.
Right, it's not playing the for some reason it's sharing my screen but not the audio.
No problem.
then
No problem.
Not to worry. It's okay.
But basically it's a funny version of the dialogue that you're listening to. As you can see at the top on this one, they've written, when you don't understand English. They've used one of the scenes from his famous films.
Right.
One of you might be able to recognize the film probably, but they've used that, and then they've used one of the lines or the dialogue from there to make a funny scene and make it into a popular video. You've got other things.
So if Muniraji wanted to save that and create her playlist on this, how do we do that?
Okay, so for instance, when we click on that video, right, can you hear me or the?
Yes,
Yeah,
we can hear you very clearly.
Okay, so if you want to save this, you can add this using on the button on the right hand side where it's got the plus sign. You can see that's just now been added, the person's profile. If you want to unfollow the person, you can unfollow it. That's the person who has uploaded the video. If you like the video, you can put a heart onto it, and then you'll see the heart just turned red. I've unclicked now, so it's gone back to white. And if you want to share it, you can share this video. If you want to add this to your own playlist,
Add favorites.
I believe once you like it and put it in the red heart, it adds
Add
it to
to
all of your
favorites. Add to
favorites.
favorites.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And that been the TikTok account.
I'll just have a look for you. I've only just opened my TikTok
Oh,
today for the purpose
Okay,
of this
no,
thing,
no
so-
worries. It's okay. It's given us a great flavor. Dara, Keval, fantastic start. Munira can practice and everyone else can as well, because the principles, as I said, of how to create, how to look remains, and all the things that Dara mentioned, the hashtag, Keval mentioned the heart and everything, discover, follow for you, your special, all that will remain a lot similar things for whether you go into Instagram later on or, so I think all this has been fantastic. And it just shows that between Keval and Dara, even though Dara in India, it's been banned, we're still able to do a great job. And this is a good start, and we can then dwell deeper once people have had a chance to use it and to learn it a little bit. So I think we'll leave it at that, unless Munira or anyone's got any burning questions for in the next minute or so. Otherwise, we'll move to Viral and Google Earth, which is another fab app as well. So does anyone, Dara, can you just unmute Munira and others if they have 1 minute question, please? Thanks, Keval and Dara.
Yeah,
Oh,
anybody
she
who
said,
has,
okay, we can move on. So Manubhai, તમને કાંઈ પૂછવાનું હતું?
Manubhai, unmute.
Okay, yeah. Manubhai, you need to unmute yourself.
મને આંખના પ્રોબ્લેમ ના કારણે બે લેસન મિસ કર્યા, તો મને એ જોવા છે તો કેવી રીતે જોઈ શકું?
મનુભાઈ, હું એની વાત કરું છું later on. હવે આજે છે ને તમે આ જે આપણને વિરલ બતાડવાનું છે ને Google Earth, I think you will really enjoy that. So let's go over to Viral now. Thanks, Keval and Dara.
ટિકટોક મેં શરૂઆતમાં જોયું, પછી બંધ કરી દીધું, કારણ કે એમાં ફની બહુ બધું આવી ગયું, એટલે પછી હવે જોતો નથી.
ના, સાચી વાત છે.
ફિક્સ કરી આપ્યું હતું.
Sure.
આ બધું મારાથી I can't manage this all.
Yeah, no, you are right, Manubhai. આપણે આ થોડું શીખવા જેટલું જ, પણ વાપરવાનું જેને ના ફાવે ને, તો તમારી વાત બિલકુલ સાચી છે. તો આ યંગસ્ટર્સ નું કદાચ વધારે કામ હશે અમુક વસ્તુમાં, પણ આપણે જાણવું ને થોડુંક એ જરૂરી છે, અને પછી આપણે બ્લોક કરી દેવું હોય તો it's fine, so
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you very
Viral,
much.
yeah, thank you. Viral, welcome to our team with Keval, Dara, Kirit, myself, all the way from Bangalore. Really appreciate you with us today.
Thank you.
Can we spotlight Viral?
Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, and the video as well. Yeah. Viral, so over to you with our Google Earth.
Yes, yeah, today we'll be looking into Google Earth. I don't have any presentation as such, but we could start with
Okay.
the app directly, like install on the phone, and then let's get started with it. So I posted a link for the Android phone on the chat, and
I'll
as
post
well
for
as
the iPhone.
Yes, yeah. Everybody could install that. Dara, can you make me co-host so I can share the screen from the phone?
Yeah, you are already a co-host. You can share the screen.
No, Viral Doshi mobile is kind of in the bracket.
Oh, sorry,
to make
sorry.
him.
Okay,
I've
okay.
got 2 access.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, you can do it from that as well, because I have allowed for everyone. You just try there.
Yeah, Dara ને Viral set કરે ને ત્યાં સુધી હું કહી દઉં કે Google Earth બહુ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ છે. તમે લોકો કદાચ આફ્રિકાથી આવ્યા હોય, તમે ઇન્ડિયા ફર્યા હોય, અમેરિકા ગયા હોય, તો તમે આખું વર્લ્ડ તમારા હાથમાં છે અને તમે તમારી ભૂમિ જ્યાં તમારું ઘર હશે એ પણ તમે સ્પોટ કરી શકશો અને એના બહુ બધા બેનિફિટ્સ છે. એટલે later on I'm sure we'll cover that, but are you ready? Yeah, excellent, thank you.
So yeah, we can start with first try to find the app in the Play Store first. We could go in the Play Store and then search for the term Google Earth. Because I've already searched, I've got this option, so I can directly write. Once you have done the Google's the Earth as a there is a between Google Earth and Map. Map is like the simpler version of Google Earth because it needs to load faster. So that's like in 2 dimension. It also has the feature of 3 dimension as well. It's called 3D. But this has a very high quality images in it, and it's in also 3D as well as there are other features which we will go through. We click on open. Yes. So this is our Earth. If you just click on it, I mean, just drag on the left or right, it will just go spinning on its own, right? At the very bottom, there is this needle which points to the north. Red side points to the north of the planet, and there is a stick with a man that will help us to see the street view, where exactly we can see the actual images, like what exactly the street will look like, and above it is where we are currently are. So that is like bottom corner what we are doing right now. So when if we by mistakenly like switch onto the different direction, then the needle moves. So if you want to get it again pointing to the north, we press the needle at the very bottom, so it now points to the north. So if you double tap on the middle of the screen or anywhere on the planet Earth, it will start to zoom in, and it keeps on zooming in the further you keep on tapping. So if we already know the map of the Earth, so we could kind of keep scrolling as we like. So is a map of the UK, right? Then if you keep on tapping, it will keep further scrolling down. It's called zooming in. Then there is this, if you press on that the man icon, it's a cartoon. So what it happens is like wherever there is a blue color, if you press on it, it will show a blue color everywhere, which means that is the particular places on the Earth where there is possibility to see the streets. Now, if I give you one example on it, so it will be very easy. So if you double click on that blue line, right, it will directly take you to yeah, okay, I should have searched before. And like you can now go through the streets wherever you want to. Like this is High Cross, I suppose, if I remember very well.
Very well remembered, yes. It's a famous shopping center in town in Les High Cross and Shires.
And
Sir
there's
John
a
Lewis.
famous casino, Gala Casino.
And you can see the roads and the traffic lights and the detail as well.
Yeah, if you, this is High Cross Street, and then we can also like come back to the same street view. It is very, I mean, it's a 3D. So if you zoom in, you can see the buildings in very 3D shapes. Whichever place we are familiar with. So
Viral, Munita,
yes.
how did you get to that? So can we just try the tower in London, the Tower Bridge?
Yes, we could do that.
So if you want to type it and then, or the Buckingham Palace, please, so people can follow it and
So I mean, I'll just show you a place which I used to visit every day.
Sure, sure. So what Viral is showing આખા road ને routes પણ બતાડે છે કે A594 north south.
Yes.
So તમને future માં planning કરવું હોય ને તોય તમે પહેલેથી તમારું આવી રીતના કરી શકો. This is the Jain Center in Leicester. It's on Oxford Street. Wonderful for Viral to have highlighted today because amara Robert je amaro 30 years plus caretaker hato, sadly it's his funeral day today, so God eno atma jyan hoy tyan. So I'm glad you've taken us to Jain Center on Oxford Street,
Yeah.
Viral.
So
Thank
we
you.
want to see the Tower Bridge. We can go, I mean, back. There is this by this icon. You can place on the top right on the top. There is this lens icon. You can place on that. Search icon is called, and then we can write with Tower Bridge. So it would straight away take us there. At the bottom also you could see there's an information showing with 2 shoes on there. So there will be like plenty of images also people would have. So now this is Tower Bridge. You could zoom in with 2 fingers as well, like pinch zoom, which we do. And this is like the 3D side. You can also change the, I mean, it's like just seeing the image itself. Can change the altitude.
Very clear, very clear.
Yeah, just to change the elevation on that.
Maybe now we can go to Taj Mahal in Delhi perhaps.
Also, there is a good feature on the top. If you see,
Uh-huh.
after the next to the search icon, there is this navigation. It's called the Voyager. So if you click on it, it would start showing different features it has. Basically, the nature, the games, the layers. Within layers, there is a very good funny thing in that. That's called time lapse. So it would show what was the place like in that era till 2020. Basically. Yeah. We could do that for lots of places, so we can see how it has changed over the time, from starting from 1950 somewhere and till the 2020. How we could see a lot of things, just not only just the buildings, how the map has geographical areas have changed, but also the glaciers, how they have melted due to global warming, or there's a tsunami, how it has approached. Like there are plenty of things which keep rolling here. So this is time lapse, very good feature on that. That would come under the Voyager, which is next to the search icon above.
So is that Hasmukh Bhai's question, that can you see anything happening live? Does the satellite pick any live things happening? For example, if there was a volcano erupted or earthquake or the fires we have at the moment or the floods?
The thing is, I mean, I'm not quite familiar like with the live thing, but if Google has if it scans with the satellite, it's a satellite imagery. So I mean, if it scans every time, we could actually see what happened. Because time lapse is like till the current moment, from what happened from the past till the current moment.
Yeah.
So if it has happened like, let's say 1 week before, then we would be able to notice if we like go to the time lapse.
Keval, Dhara, do you have a view? Does it actually, do you both want to test it? Does it do the live, the fires in California right now?
No, they aren't doing it live. So, when they want, they can take it as a live event, but not always. So if they want to see continuously what's happening, if you have seen that movie where they are always monitoring these things and capturing images from there. Okay, I'll tell you which movie I'm talking about. The one with the John Abraham, where it showed the Indian scientists doing that particular atom bomb thing. You know, I forgot the name, just slipped out of my mind. But that is one movie where every day they're monitoring the places from their satellite, and they're taking a regular one picture every day. They're not doing it live. Okay,
Mhm,
so they're
okay.
taking one picture every day, एक picture let's say every day,
Mhm.
and then they will see what are the statuses. If they see that there is some problems with there, then they will keep a continuous watch on it. So that is how they got
Right.
to know about this thing. So they are always
Mhm.
monitoring. So when you have the
Okay, well,
satellite,
wait.
you always monitor it.
Right. And Kevin, you had something on that front. What were you saying about the live?
Yeah, no, they just if there is anything where they do show live feeds from, Google Earth will notify you. You've got options to see certain live
Yes.
events and
If you
feeds.
write the address, it would go to the person's place.
Mhm.
I mean, you can just put the pin code as well. Like we do normal search in maps, right? It would do the same way.
Mhm.
If you search with your postcode or pin code, so
Yeah.
I could search
Mhm.
the place.
Okay. So yeah. So Hasmukh, there's quite a lot of options there.
You can also search person's addresses and everything on this one.
Mhm. And if people are buying a house, they want to know how many schools are nearby,
Exactly.
parks. There's just so much information there. I come from East Africa, Uganda, and I was able to see my school, my house there. So it's a very useful feature. So very on Viral.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, on that, I mean, I was going to be speaking about the features it has, like the voyages and the dice. You press on the dice, it will take you to the random places just to know them, like more information about the places, you would say, about their history, culture, everything. I mean, if I press the dice button, it would just randomly take me to some places which I don't know, but I want to explore. I know. Yeah. So it has taken me to France, somewhere in National Survey. I can't read the French language, but so there is a lots of information about it. I mean, if you go scroll, it will give you a lot of information on where that is in the map, what times it opens. Like, also,
So
you can,
children's homework, it will be
yes,
handy, or grandchildren's homework, it will be handy.
yes, it would very
Or
much.
any question or quizzes you're doing, you'll be able to check it up as well. So yeah,
Also,
carry
there is
on,
a
Viral.
very good feature as well, create a post. So if I go to, let's say, so I could create a post as like to send to the people. So if you go in there, once it reaches to that place, yeah, you can also create a postcard, and then directly share it to whoever near ones on WhatsApp. Like we used to get postcards for people when we go for traveling, like similar way.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is another good thing. I mean, if you want to share the poster, yeah. So
I think we have time. If you want to do the same with the post and share it with me, so I can show it for either Buckingham Palace or Taj Mahal, so people can learn that. So is there a way they can actually use the feature, Viral?
yeah, I'll surely do. I just go to Buckingham Palace. More information is here. What times it opens, what is the size, everything. Quite detailed. Right. Yeah, I can share the postcard. Create a postcard. Right. Also, I could actually basically also zoom in a bit and take a proper inside view on me.
They have to go, where do they go to get that and take the photo?
It's in the 3 lines. If you press on the top, right?
Okay. Uh-huh.
3 horizontal lines.
Munira, the Queen will be waiting for us for sure.
Then you press on the create postcard, and then you can directly share on WhatsApp. So,
Excellent, excellent.
so you have got the postcard from me.
Right. Yeah, here it is, guys. I've got it. Great, thank you. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Great.
Also, there are.
And you can type the message. You can type the message as well.
Yeah, bottom we can, while sharing we could do.
Yeah, okay.
Much inside, yeah. You can also share the link of particular place if you want to like share the link to the people. Just explore just a Buckingham Palace, but there would many other places people haven't been or they not plan to visit near future. Say now, but
Yeah.
apart,
Viral, sorry to disturb you, dear. One more time, Muniraji is asking, how did you create the postcard? So can we this time do it on Taj Mahal, please? And just go through the full steps, showing the 3 lines and the whole,
first you search the place you want to explore. Right? It directly takes you to that place. So we have flown from the London and
pretty fast. It's quite good in the world.
yeah. So, okay. Yeah, this is it. I would just share the now here on the map, right? Any angle you want, you can adjust it the way you like, and then you click on this 3 horizontal lines, and then there's called create postcard, and then you can share it with the people on WhatsApp, or maybe like there are plenty other apps you could share, social apps, Instagram.
And can we write on it at all? Is there a keyboard we could bring up?
No, it just takes an image and then shares. But while sharing, you can edit it.
Okay.
Here you can write, you want to write a message or something.
Excellent. Lovely.
That should be it. Let's move back. So there are other features as well, which if you want to further explore. So this is like normal 2D. Okay. So this information is already there on when we access this. No option for postcard. iPhone. Has anyone installed this app on iPhone? Because I don't use iPhone, I'm not sure. Could you ask Kevin?
Yeah, I'll just share that screen. I'll just share the screen.
Okay.
I just walked off.
Dara, if you can check whether we can create a postcard on iPhone, please. You can carry on with the features that are remaining.
Okay, postcard option is here. It's like if you go on 3 horizontal lines on your map, right? On the top left corner, there is an option of create postcard.
Yeah, Android has it. I've just checked on mine. Someone said they couldn't find it. Sometimes it's not probably up to date. If the phones aren't up to date, then that could be an issue perhaps.
Okay, now there is this map style which we want. Let's say we don't want the name of the places and labels, and also there is option to remove them. So we can say in the clean, right? Clean is the option here on the top. When you go on map style, 3 horizontal lines on the left corner. In this menu card, you see map style. So there is option of clean. So when you select that, there won't be any labels anywhere now. But still we could do Taj Mahal and then see if there are any labels or not. So there are no labels at the moment, just Taj Mahal. Before there were other places it was showing nearby, but now there is none. So yeah, the entry of the Taj Mahal is from behind. Yeah. So yeah, now you can share a very clean image of the postcard if you like, and then this will remove, when you do a clean look, it will remove the borders and everything. the markings. Only it could show the tag where there are names on the thing. Like you search the Taj Mahal. It has gone up. Okay. Next thing we have on again the map style, there is exploration, then everything. It will show the transit and everything, traffic and everything. So these are 3 map styles. And there is also another option in the same. There is a turn on the grid lines. This is amazing for people who want to explore with a good amount of information. If you see in the bottom right corner, so that is how the planets are actually coordinated. These are called coordinates. A bit technical, but it's very useful. So there is at the bottom, at the very bottom of your phone, it will show there is this N and there is S. So this is north, and then there is a 20 degree, right? Let's go to the very important place where it's 0, which is Greenwich Meridian timeline, right? Okay.
So much. So that's the grid line, Viral.
Yes. This is where the 0 is, which is in Greenwich. I don't know how
So
it's called.
exactly on the Earth, then it tells us the latitude, the longitude, and all the north,
Yes.
the degrees,
So,
and all
yeah,
that.
so-
Yeah.
There's a
Mhm.
degrees, there is a minutes, and there are seconds. So at the bottom, you can see where you are. You can also notice like from the which place you are in. You can get that information. Let's say I'm in Tunbridge, so that will have its own latitude, longitude, and
So when you said the minutes, when I've passed the Greenwich Mean Time, if you go right 10 seconds or 1 minute,
Yes.
is that what it's saying? Can you explain that a little quickly?
yeah. So okay, 51. Actually, I'm GMT 0. So what happens is this is the time. This describes the time. Latitudes and longitudes, they describe the time for us. As we move away on the right, the time starts adding. So 0 is at GMT, which is called Greenwich Meridian time. So after 0, if you move towards the east, in the longitude, so what happens is the times keeps adding. So right now, if you see London, that is 0 time we consider. Right now, that would be like, what time is it there? 4 or maybe 5 o'clock. What's
The time here is 5:21. 5:21.
okay? So that in London it's 5:21. So as we move away from London, like when we say the time is running 5 hours ahead or 5 hours behind. So these are the lines which describe it. So if we go towards India, so we already know it's like 4.5 hours or 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours ahead. So here right now the time is to 9:50 around. So if we put in the time coordinates, right, we'll come to know exactly at the bottom which area we are in. So it describes basically that if you go away from the Greenwich Meridian time, the time keeps adding on the right, and there is a time is lagging behind on the left.
Okay.
Yeah, that's very simple geography we study in the
Yeah.
equator is where there's 0 degrees again at the middle, and the top it will show as 90 degree north, and bottom down under what we call Australia, that is 90 degrees south. So I mean, if children wants to explore the map, this is the best app to learn geography during their school time. Yeah. So these are the only things which I've explored myself. So yeah.
And
So
just, yeah.
That's it. I mean, this is very simple understanding of it. There are other things which we could do, like the what is this called? The measure. Like if you want to measure the places, distance between two places, then there is a scale. You say Nottingham, and then there is this icon in the between. You put the dot into Nottingham, and then add point. Below there is option add point at the right bottom. And now we can measure the distance from Nottingham to, let's say, Leicester. We already know that, but like still, we have to zoom it in, so get the clear values. Okay.
Viral, how did you get that? Can you do Leicester to London and take us through, please?
Yeah, okay. Again, so on the top, there is option. There are 4 options on there. So you start with this search, and after that, there is navigation, and then dice, it takes you to random places, and then there is a measure. So as you click on the measure, the scale, it just shows the eye in the between, in the middle of the screen. Now, if you move the map with your fingers, the eye remains at the center, but map moves. So now, if you want to go to Leicester, let's say a very brief. Actually, this app is also available on your browser. There are 3 places this app is available. So on the browser, you can use directly from signing into your Google account, or you can download this app, and then the way we are using it. And more comfortable would be a desktop application where you install it in your laptop and you use it to the full-fledged. Like, it will be very easy. I mean, there will be more features on there compared to the mobile application. It would do the same task, but in a better way. Okay. Right at the city center, we point, right? Do add point.
Right.
And then we could just zoom out, keep out. So that's like 144 kilometers showing. Like, this is roughly, if you want to just, this is just like for the showing purpose. So it will just show at the bottom left, below the distance. So you can convert that into
miles or whatever.
Yeah, there is a lot of things you can do it in feet, like
Excellent.
meters, kilometers.
Yeah, that's absolutely excellent, Viral.
So, yeah, this is not accurate. What I remember was like something around 100 miles, right? So yeah, nearly there. So, yeah, we could do this exploration like with this measure. And there's on the right corner, if you see, right, it could go, there are 2 options. You could reset it, so you can start adding more points. So yeah.
Are there any other burning features that, because time is ticking on, or do you think you've covered majority of it?
Yes, I've covered almost all of them, I would say.
Just remind the 3 on the side again, please. The needle, so people feel confident on that. Just the 3 on the side that you have.
Yeah, at the right corner, we have needles. The what view would like to see, like 3D, 2D, 2-dimension or 3-dimension, it would show. And
what does the needle do?
Needle always points to north, right? If you are missing if you're misaligned anywhere and we want to know where exact the north is, it will tell us.
Okay.
So it will reset. Yeah. Pointing to north, the red side.
Yeah.
And then there is this 3D option. So it says tap on the location highlight. It gives an instruction. You just follow it and you will have the street view. The street view is like everywhere, not everywhere available. Let's say we go to Australia. And then.
And then the top one was?
It will just take you there. Just click on the blue line. It will take you exactly on the street.
Oh, Oh, fantastic. Talking about the streets, Viral, let me just share with everybody. When I went shopping this week, the till girl was talking to someone about Google Earth, and she said that her driving instructor uses it. So before they start the driving lesson, they actually look at the road and the maps and the traffic lights and the roundabouts, and they go through the whole plan and the direction. So she said it really helps us to focus on in terms of how she learns the driving. So that's how the Google Earth came about. But there is so much more to it. Fantastic.
And if you click on the street view, there is this icon. It turns yellow now. I have clicked on it. It turns into yellow color, and above it there is this place. It takes you directly from anywhere on the planet to where you are right now. So when I pressed, I was away somewhere in the different place, let's say here, right, somewhere in Australia. But then when I click on to the top button over the 3D view, right corner, circle with the plus sign. So it will take me exactly where I am right now.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Right now I'm in Bangalore, somewhere in the East Bangalore.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic.
So this is how, I mean, it could help to explore a lot of things, educate ourselves, and
Yeah.
and with
Just like
rolling.
you
Yeah.
showed us Bangalore, Smita Bhabhi just checked her sister out in New Jersey, America. Sushila has tried, Bhavna Bhabhi, they've all been trying it, Viral. So fantastic. And Chandrakant Bhai from Crowley and Brighton is just asking, can we actually spot people? But I guess that might be difficult because it's more about buildings and places and
Yes.
yeah. Unless if someone's walking, it might be a different, and the mechanism is satellite picking it up, right?
Yes. This is actually satellites which have taken the image
Yeah.
of the entire world, kind of.
Mhm. Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
That's really good. Viral.
If you click on the top right, there is after Voyager, there is a search button, then there is a Voyager, this one, and then after the Voyager, there is dice. So if you keep on clicking on the dice, it will take you to different places every time, like
Mhm.
randomly.
Randomly,
That's
okay.
also amazing. So we want to know about that place, like if you go to Japan, and then Jalakachi market. So we don't go. But
Maybe people could try it out and share their random experiences next week with us. You've
Yes,
given us
sure.
a lot to practice, to look at, to try, Viral. That's excellent. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. You muted there, yeah? So Dhara,
I am there. I'm there.
yeah, great. Dhara, Keval, yeah, anyone has any, because time is always taking the better of us, and Leicester City is playing in Wembley as I speak today. So I think we need to get moving. Munira, anyone else has 1 single second questions that you'd like to ask our expert team here? You can unmute everyone, Dhara.
Yeah, if anyone wants to say something.
Yeah, compliments, questions, whatever, guys. This is your floor now for a minute. Go ahead.
Thank you so much, Dhara Ben, Viral ji, Keval, Sumi Ben.
Thank you to you as
It was
well.
fantastic. We learned a lot,
Yeah.
especially my TikTok.
And Amitabh Bachchan. And Dhara, Yusuf Maya asked a specific question about the email. Can we quickly cover that, please?
Yes. So,
I hope people are okay to wait with us for another 5 minutes, please.
Okay, so
Thank you.
here his question was, you need a backup of the WhatsApp thing that comes to you, right?
WhatsApp, yeah, any PDF. So
I think
I'll
we
just
have to
mute everyone. I'll just
Yeah.
mute once everyone, and then Munira Ben, please unmute yourself and speak. Okay.
Okay.
So, Munira Ben, I got this question from you, that is from Yusuf Bhai,
Yeah.
that you need to particularly need to understand that what if I want to store any PDF file, or you say a image file, something in a particular folder or something like that.
Yes,
So I'm just
please.
showing you that on my Android phone.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just sharing my Android screen. For
Sure.
messages, it is difficult, but for images
Okay.
or
No, not
you know
messages,
something
just the,
like that,
yeah, documents or something,
documents
PDFs.
or something, you can easily get those. So I hope my screen is being shared.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and here is the particular images or the videos that you are having. Okay,
Okay.
so suppose this is the image, this is my card, and I want to, you know, I want to store it particularly at a particular place.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can view in a gallery as well with just some photos. So basically, you need to understand કે એ ક્યાં આંગળી છે. તો એના માટે તમારે okay, you have to use the file manager. તમારે files use કરવું પડશે, file manager, જેનાથી તમે તમારી બધી જ files ને manage કરી શકો છો.
કાં છે
Okay.
ફાઇલ મેનેજર?
હા, હું તમને બતાવું છું. તમારા
Okay.
ફોનની અંદર તમે સર્ચમાં ખાલી લખશો ને ફાઇલ કરીને, તો દરેક ફોનની અંદર મોસ્ટલી ફાઇલ્સ કરીને એક ઓપ્શન હશે.
Yeah. Okay.
ઓકે, તમે એની ઉપર ક્લિક કરશો. આ ખાલી એન્ડ્રોઇડમાં જ પોસિબલ છે. લેટ મી ટેલ યુ એવરીવન, ધીસ ઇઝ ઓન્લી પોસિબલ ઇન ધી એન્ડ્રોઇડ ફોન એન્ડ નોટ એનીથિંગ એલ્સ.
Not in iOS.
નો.
Okay.
Yusuf, I will have to
Yeah.
change his phone.
No,
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 he
Yusuf
has
has
the
got Android.
Android
Yusuf
phone.
has got
He has got the
Yeah,
Android phone.
that's
That
what-
is why only I am saying you.
Yeah, that's why he asked. Yeah.
Yeah. From there, you can go to the internal storage.
Internal storage.
Yeah,
Yeah. From the
Yeah.
3 dots on the top,
yeah,
right, click on add a new folder.
Yep.
Give that folder a name, suppose my photos,
Mm-hmm.
and click on create photos.
Yeah. Create
Okay.
photos.
So now there will be a folder with the name my photos. You see, I've just created, you can see my photos
Yeah.
just now. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can come back and go on the images. You see there are separate images over here.
okay,
Now we have to select the images or the videos. Suppose this is the image which I showed before.
Yeah. yeah,
Yeah. Then again on the 3 buttons on the top right.
Yeah.
Okay. And move to save folder. Okay, no, sorry. Okay. There is an option for photos, it won't allow. Just a second. I think, yeah, you have to go inside and inside. Sorry. I'll go to the internal storage again. You have to go to WhatsApp over there. And
Ah,
from
okay.
the WhatsApp, you have to go in the media. From the media, WhatsApp images. So you get all the WhatsApp images or WhatsApp documents and everything over here.
Okay.
yeah,
I have a lot of them, so it is loading. Oh, sorry. My one is WhatsApp business account. Sorry, I'm in the wrong folder. You have to go in the WhatsApp only.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Mine is over here only, no worries. Okay. તમારામાં ખુલી ગયું તમારા ફોનમાં તમારા મીડિયા?
He's not, he's writing.
Yeah, I'm just
He's
writing.
not doing it.
Okay, no problem.
I'll do it later.
Okay.
Dara, why did you say internal storage is?
In the files manager, or you can say only files.
And where is the files?
Just search in your apps.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
You mean app store?
No, in your phone
Oh.
only.
Phone
Oh,
only.
in the phone. Okay.
In
In
the
the
phone
phone
itself.
only. There is a.
Dara,
Mhm.
એટલો point clear નથી, please. Can you clarify કે ક્યાં apps ને ક્યાં ગોતવાનું internal storage પહેલા?
Okay, the okay, you're there in the phone માં છો તમે?
Yeah.
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 Just open, and over there we have the apps, inbuilt apps હોય ને આપણી પાસે.
એટલે Play Store?
No.
No.
Our apps. આપણી apps.
આ રહ્યું અહીંયા.
હા,
ના,
yeah.
આ તો ગૂગલ છે.
No.
આપણે જ્યાંથી મતલબ બધી apps આપણા ફોનમાં બધી apps હોય ને A to Z. You just
હા.
swipe up and you get all the apps.
Ha, 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 ha.
Okay, over there just search file.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Do you know where
Okay,
to do it?
and just click on the files.
Use file.
મારું છે ને
Search
WhatsApp
ક્યાં
પાછું
છે?
અલગ છે એટલે images load
પણ
નથી
આ તો
કરતો.
ગૂગલ છે.
Okay,
My
જો હવે
files,
તમારી
હા.
હા હવે તમારી
Android, my files is
આયો
an
તો.
orange color.
આ તો install કરવાનું છે. This is not right.
Yeah, okay, આવી ગયું.
હા પછી એમાં તમારે WhatsApp stickers માં જતા રહેવાનું.
Yeah, internal storage.
Yeah, હા ઇન્ટરનલ સ્ટોરેજ ની અંદર WhatsApp હશે. WhatsApp ની અંદર તમે જતા રહો. WhatsApp માં images, stickers, documents, files બધું જ દેખાશે.
Yeah. So Munira, Yusuf, and everyone else, it's just an app, just like any other app on our phone, and
Yeah.
it says
Okay.
My Files, and it's an orange color with a white paper
Yeah.
inside. So
Mhm.
once you open that, you get internal storage. Yeah.
Okay, lovely. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks.
And from there
And
you
then-
can just move to. You have to move to or copy to.
There I file searcher too.
Yeah.
હમણાં કંઈ
Copy
કર્યું
to.
તમે.
Copy to internal storage, and
Yes,
then
sir.
what is the name of our folder? That is My Photos.
My
And then
photos.
copy here. At the bottom there is an option copy here. Just click on
Copy
it
here.
and it will
Okay.
be the file is copied.
Yeah.
My files.
Okay.
So now when
Okay,
you
got
go
Okay.
in your My Files, My Photos, sorry, I have this one image that I have.
Yeah.
Okay. એટલે આમાં કેવું હોય
Yeah.
કે તમે જે રીતે તમારું કોમ્પ્યુટર યુઝ કરતા હો ને એમાં C drive,
Yeah.
D drive, E drive એમાં
Yes,
નવું ફોલ્ડર
yes,
બનાવીએ
yes.
પછી એમાં કોપી
Yeah.
કરીએ.
Yeah.
What that
Yes.
thing can be done in Android only.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. Okay.
Everybody, this thing can be done only in Android,
Android.
not in
Yeah.
iOS. iOS આપણને આ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ આપતું જ નથી.
Okay.
Okay.
Because of security. It says because of security we are not displaying any files. એટલે આ
Okay.
કેવું છે આપણે WhatsApp માંથી ફોટો કાઢી અને એને આપણે આપણા ફોલ્ડર ની અંદર કોપી કરી લીધો. એટલે WhatsApp નો બેકઅપ ના હોય તો એટલીસ્ટ આપણી પાસે ફોટોસ રહે.
Exactly.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right.
Okay. So that is how this
Try
thing works.
Karjo.
There
Yeah,
is one
try
question.
Karjo. Now find
Yeah.
it, we can do
Just
it
a
again.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Okay.
there is a question from Hasmukh Bhai. Can I find the images that I've starred? No. Starred images are not found over here because that is the internal thing of WhatsApp.
Yeah.
આપણે તો બહારથી આખી આપણે શું કરીએ છે કે WhatsApp નું ગોડાઉનમાં WhatsApp એ બધું સ્ટોર કરીને રાખ્યું છે. આપણે પાછળના ડોરથી WhatsApp ના ગોડાઉનમાં જઈએ છે, બધું લઈએ છે અને આપણા નવા ગોડાઉનની અંદર શિફ્ટ કરીએ છે, કોપી કરીએ છે. So the star thing is not with us, that is with WhatsApp. એટલે એ આપણને નહીં મળે. આપણને બધો ડેટા મળી શકશે, ઇમેજીસ મળી શકશે, બધું જ મળશે. પણ એના સિવાય આપણને ડેટા નહીં મળે. ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ મળી જશે, બધું જ મળશે, but not the date.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Dharaben. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you once again, everyone. Sorry, we always run a bit over because there's so much to learn. So once again, Tara, Keval, Viral, and Kirit, thank you. Thank you, Muniraben, and
Thank you so
all for
much. Thank
joining.
you.
Yeah. And next week, we have, Tara, have you got the screen?
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah.
I'll have to change the
Yeah, we
screen.
have Tasneem. Yeah, Tasneem who is joining us. Of course, Dara will always be there. Dara, you did wonderful without TikTok being banned. You still gave us a good solid flavor. And Tasneem is going to run with us on Zoom, Microsoft Teams. Some workplaces use Microsoft Teams.
Oh.
So again, if you can download, it will be helpful in advance. And then we also have Skype. I mean, Skype is probably less popular now, but again, it's always an alternative. So they're going to, and the Dhara has always stressed, okay, Google account kholi so they'll kind of work on that as well. So again, Tasneem, and that's it. We've got 2 sessions because I don't like to ask, but we don't have any sponsors. So I've negotiated this free session for now. So next week, we've got them looking at, they're called Diverting to Digital, and a video called Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, and then getting our organization or getting ourselves on Google.
So it's
so that's-
Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams
Yeah.
has to be downloaded from App Store.
Tara,
Yes.
I believe
Yes, yes.
so. Yeah,
Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Yeah, a lot of big companies use Microsoft Teams.
Yeah,
Necessity
companies
Council
normally
and
use
the
Do it,
Microsoft
at
Teams.
work.
We
Yeah.
use it at
Yeah.
our work,
Yeah.
Zoom, Skype, and Microsoft Teams.
Yeah, so it will be useful again. And if you are ready in advance, like Sushila was today, then you will find that you'll get a lot more out of it, and then you can ask questions as well.
Okay.
So yeah. Anyway, I know the little one, Dhara's
So that's
little
the
one
icon.
is really,
That's the icon for Teams. You can see everyone, and that's how it
Gotcha.
works.
Okay.
oh, excellent. Dhara, you are always ahead of the game. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Our tech guru. Right, Viral, Keval, any last thoughts at all you both want to share?
I know it was just yeah, we can show a bit more on TikTok whenever everyone's ready, or
Mhm.
you know, on other social media platforms like we discussed, like Twitter and stuff. So whenever you're ready, more than happy to do that.
Yeah, Keval has pledged, and because Twitter is so popular as well, so that's great, wonderful. Viral, did you enjoy our company?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it brings back memories. Yeah, right. Everyone's busy trying theirs, Dhara, what you've taught. So I think we'll leave it at that, and see you all next week, same time, same place. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Bye.
bye-bye, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tara. Thank you,
Thank
Sumata
you,
Ben.
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much. Thanks.
Thank you,
Bye.
Munira Ben. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
So I'll just stop the meeting over here, and
Yeah.
we'll meet next week.
Yeah, brilliant.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.